Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250. This comes in a gray exterior with a light gray interior, sunroof, blind spot assist, power opening and closing trunk, rear seats, memory seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 98,228 with a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, and backup camera, climate control, center console, Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.